This is the RunSafe Security Minute. We're here to provide 1-minute security briefs. Today's question is,
what is the cost benefit of immediate security versus rip and replace when considering memory safety?
The traditional issue of fixing vulnerabilities has relied on, in many cases, releasing software, and then as vulnerabilities pop up, to issue a patch or develop a fix and then patch, and that has proven problematic. People do not update their software. Industry does not update its infrastructure with new versions. And so when you think about a more comprehensive approach, such as rewriting software in memory safe languages, you can imagine how intensive that effort would be. It could take, for a given weapons program or for devices that get deployed across the energy infrastructure or the power grid or what have you, it could take 5 or 10 years to rewrite all that software in memory safe languages, and perhaps 5, 10, even $100 million for a major weapons program to actually rewrite all that software in memory safe languages. That's why at RunSafe, we think that applying memory safe protections today without rewriting code, without changing functionality, without affecting system performance, and protecting against both known and unknown vulnerabilities is the most economical and best approach, because you get all the protection without all the cost.